The ALERT205 has a variety of built-in diagnostic tools to help you view the ALERT205 status information, update the ALERT205, and access communications modes and SDI12 talk-through to troubleshoot the ALERT205. To access this mode, click the Diagnostics tab. There are 3 tabs under Diagnostics: Status, Updates, and Watch. The Status tab shows the current status of the ALERT205. Each field, such as the operating system version or lithium battery status, is shown with its current value. The ALERT205 can be updated locally in the field or remotely over a Wi-Fi connection. Before heading to the ALERT205 site, go to the Campbell Scientific website and download the update file from the ALERT205 product page. Delete any prior update files from the download directory to prevent having multiple files with the same file name. Select the Updates tab. Click Update from File. Navigate to the folder where the update file was downloaded. Select the file and click Open. Update the software by following the on-screen prompts as they appear. When the update is applied to the station, all data will be lost. It's a good practice to collect all data before updating the operating system. To select the communications watch modes, select the Watch tab. A drop-down menu accesses the 3 options in this mode. Click Start to begin watching the selected mode. Click Stop to end. Select the SDI12 watch option to monitor communications between the ALERT205 and SDI12 sensors. Then click Start. Any commands or data sent between the ALERT205 and the sensors will appear on screen. Click Stop prior to changing watch modes. Selecting RS-232 AL200 watch will show all communications between the ALERT205 and AL200 modem. Click Start. These 2 options are useful for troubleshooting as they show if communications are normal or if there is an issue to address. Click Stop. The third watch option is SDI12 talk-through. Choosing this option opens a terminal allowing direct communications with any attached SDI12 sensors. Click Start. Enter the sensor address. You can select any applicable commands from the drop-down menus. Then choose the command and click Send. The results of the command will appear in the terminal window. Commands can also be entered directly into the command field. Some common SDI12 tasks include querying a sensor's SDI12 address, serial number, and version, changing a sensor's SDI12 address, using extended SDI12 commands to configure the sensor. Once you're done viewing communication data, click Stop and switch to a different diagnostic mode, or return to the dashboard or monitor data screens. And that's it. Feel free to go back and watch any of the previous videos in this series if you have questions. For further assistance, contact Campbell Scientific directly, and one of our engineers will assist you.